In today's episode of Travel TV, we will explore the rock shelters of Bhimbetka, located just 55 kilometers from Bhopal city in Madhya Pradesh, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This destination is an extraordinary example of ancient art that showcases the lifestyle of a civilization thousands of years old. The rock shelters of Bhimbetka are situated on the northern border of the Vindhya Mountains and contain a group of over 600 rock shelters, dating back to the Neolithic age. The paintings found in these rocks are primarily in red and white, with occasional use of green and yellow. These paintings offer a glimpse into the daily life of ancient times. These rock shelters belong to the Paleolithic and Mesolithic periods, and the rock paintings vividly depict the human civilization of that era. For many centuries, this destination remained hidden in dense forests, and it was only in 1888, during the British India period, that the site was first discovered. However, the main exploration took place in 1957 by Indian archaeologist Vishnu Sridhar Wakankar, who recognized the historical significance of these caves. To reach Bhimbetka, the nearest airport is Bhopal, approximately 55 kilometers from this destination. From there, you can easily take a taxi. Bhimbetka is located in the Ratapani Tiger Reserve, which offers a natural and peaceful environment. Winters are from November to February, with temperatures dipping to 3 degrees Celsius in the morning, but the daytime weather is pleasant. Summers last from late March to July, with temperatures reaching up to 40 degrees Celsius. The Bhimbetka caves are open to tourists throughout the year, but the best time to visit is from October to April. During this period, the weather is ideal, and you can see the cave paintings in the daylight for a better experience. For accommodation, the MPSTDC Hotel near Bhimbetka is a good option, located close to the rock shelters. If you prefer more comfort and luxury, there are several branded hotels in Bhopal. After visiting Bhimbetka, you can explore other fascinating destinations like Pachmarhi, Satpura National Park, and Sanchi. If you are heading towards Indore, Ujjain is a wonderful option. If you are traveling to Khajuraho or Gwalior, Chanderi is another great place to visit. From Bhopal, you can also visit the famous Bhojpur temple. The rock shelters of Bhimbetka are not only a historical heritage but also a vivid portrayal of ancient human civilization. A visit here will not only introduce you to ancient art but also offer an experience of tranquility amidst nature. If you are a history and culture enthusiast, the rock shelters of Bhimbetka can be a precious travel destination for you.